Hi everyone. Today we are going to see, how we can install Grafana in Dokploy. Technically by one click, right? So that's all we're going to do. So I'm going to projects. Here I have a learning. It's a project. So I'm going to create service template. Then I can search for Grafana. Yeah, this is Grafana. So when I click it, confirm, the Docker file will be seated here. But if you see here, it's a Grafana Enterprise. You don't need to go to Enterprise. What you can do, you can put Grafana and latest. It's always try to pull the community edition. Okay. So once this is done, save this and go to deploy and confirm. So once you're done, like it will be pulled and it will be up and running, so you can see the logs. So then you can go to domain and click this. So yeah, your Grafana page is loading. So default password for this admin. You can give this, it will ask to give a latest password. You can give some new password here and then submit this. It'll go inside. So you can set up your dashboard and whatever needed you want, you can set up here. So this is how you can able to install Grafana in by one click in Dokploy. So yeah, that's all about this. Let's meet in next video.